Just got in. Got that package I've been waiting for a couple days. See the Yeezys. Got them from the GOAT. And I'm hyped. Look what I got. It's the Dork 2 talking to you too right there. Let's check it out. Check it out. You know, experience this at the same time, man. Oh my boy said don't get him, you're sleeping on him. Let me turn the light on. I want y'all to see him when I see him. Turn this light on. Never try to put Yeezys while they glowing. Alright. I know I seen the picture. Everybody said when you see them in person, it bring a whole new dopeness to it. So let me see. Let me see if they was right. Oh my God, these Jones are fire. Yeah. These Jones is fire. And of course, nobody in the city got these. I ain't gonna wear them now. I'm just gonna keep them in the tuck. Can't wait to see these Jones glow up. Matter of fact, I should take it out in the sun real fast just to see. I'm getting some bright light. Yeah. Boost. I'll get an in-depth review later on today. Just wanted y'all to see it when I seen it. Let me get these pairs out. Go, 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 go. Might be the thumbnail. Goodness. Let me throw that in there. Let me throw that in there. Give it a little commotion. That might be the thumbnail. What else is in this box? What's that? Verified. In-depth look later on today. I'm out.